Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create custom navigation menus in Shopify so you can organize your store like a pro and give your visitors a smooth, user-friendly experience. Let's jump right in. Navigation menus are how your customers move around your store like home, shop, about us, contact, and category links like men's, accessories, etc. You can customize these menus to include collections pages, external links, and even dropdowns. Let's set one up. Log into your Shopify admin, then go to the left sidebar, click on Online Store, then navigation from here, but here is not showing because this is a free trial. Here you will see your main menu, footer menu, and any other custom menus you have made. Click on main menu. This is the top menu your customers usually see. To add a new item, click add menu item. Give it a name like shop all, then choose the link destination. You can link to a collection, a product, a page, your blog, or an external link like Instagram or YouTube. To make a drop-down menu, simply drag items under another item and indent them slightly to the right. Let's say you want to special menu just for the footer. Go back to navigation from online store tab and click add menu. Name it something like quick links or support. Add your items, for example FQ, contact us, shipping information. Once you save this menu, we will link it to a section in your store theme. Now go to online store, then themes, then click customize on your active theme. Click on the header to edit main menu, or scroll down to footer to add your custom menu. Choose the correct menu from the drop down and boom, like home page, catalog, all products, contact, and you can add menu item, remove, choose the correct menu from the drop down and boom, it appears live in your store. Keep your menu names short and simple. Group similar items under drop downs to avoid clutter, and always test the links to make sure they work. And that's how you create custom navigation menus in Shopify. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Got questions or want a full theme through? Drop a comment. I would love to help. And thanks for watching.